Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. And today what I want to do is give you a little glimpse and quick insight to what we do in the members section when it comes to the swing charts or the options section. You know, in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look at the swing charts, but we have different memberships available. If you're just getting started into trading, you want to learn a little bit more about the charts, definitely check it out. Now you can go ahead and see those memberships by going to our website at tradersfly.com. So you can go ahead and go there. And by the way, while you're there, feel free to check out the freebies section or the getting started page if you're brand new to trading or investing. The freebies section has some great things to download and some free videos, cheat sheets, and all that kind of stuff. If you're looking into a membership, go to our members section here. The membership, it's going to forward you to our members website. And here we have a couple of different choices for either an options, ideas, and strategies if you're a little more advanced. If you're doing swing charts and swing trading, which is what we're going to cover right here, you can go ahead and check out the video swing charts or the technical analysis picture charts, which are very similar to the swing chart videos that we do on the recaps. Now, if you want to get started, go there and it'll give you some insight on exactly what it's all about, and you can watch the overview video. Now that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. Is we're going to give you an overview of the swing charts, and keep in mind this is just a quick glimpse and a quick clip of what's in the members section. With the members you get the full video, but right now I just want to share with you a little freebie, a little clip, so that way you get a little taste of what happens. And I would love to see you in the members zone as well. All right, so let's get going here in the market here. I just want to show you real quick. We are up about 72 points right now as we look at the S&P. So that looks pretty good, right? Pretty bullish. But I do want to go ahead and give you some thoughts that, hey, we're coming into this stretch level right here that you want to be very careful about, and that could create some resistance and a little bit of problem. So remember, anytime the market's up quite a lot, be careful. There could be a sell-off around the corner. So let's take a look at the next one here as we check it out. Another big one that people love and love to buy from lately. Be very careful here. The stock continues to ramp up. We've got some resistance here that was going fairly strong. Here was an attempt for breakout, but you could see there was confluence. Then we had a second breakout point right there that managed to do well. I think right now we are in a somewhat sideways consolidation pattern, so this is one thing to really watch. This stock, the volume here, if you look at the bullish volume, it is fairly strong, and if you look at just overall the trend of the volume, you've got this bowl-shaped pattern, which is typically a good, healthy sign for the stock. For me personally, if you look right here, this is like a little flag pattern that you want to be very careful about. So when you have a flag pattern that is consolidating, careful on it. Normally this is a setup for higher prices because it's a continuation pattern, right? Stock went higher, then it goes sideways, then it should continue to go higher. But be careful here that the market and stock is not overstretched. So this is why I would say I'm a little more neutral on this one, just because we could be getting into this overstretched area and going sideways. Could we get a little pullback? Absolutely. But nevertheless, stock is doing fairly well here in these upper ranges. Okay, let's look at Baidu here. Baidu has been selling off for quite a while, you know, Chinese-based company. But I would look here. If you're looking for value buying spots and opportunities, if you're kind of interested in that kind of stuff, here, by the way, just as an idea for you, here's a A to B, B to C, C to D pattern. When you look at this, by the way, C is right here. When you look at this, this stock did get into some resistance over here. We've had kind of a double top area, and stock sold off, and now we're kind of in this area. So can we go can we move sideways and then move higher? Yeah, it's a nice little sweet spot. I would, of course, be careful of this support. This is your critical level here to watch. If you can watch that, if it holds there, that could be a really good sign. Plus, not to mention, you are near that $100 level right there in the stock, which could make it good. So it's interesting, again, from a long perspective for the long haul. And that's why I'd say, hey, maybe a little more bullish on this one. Again, not full-fledged bullish, but I would watch that key support. as long as you get that volume that'll come in, which right now you're not getting. So for now, you're getting lack of bullish volume, and that's not coming in because the fear is still there. But if you're kind of into that, saying, hey, well, eventually things will recover for the long haul, this could be a very interesting level right here, as long as we stay above that support level. Okay. And then one last one here that I want to mention is Spotify. Usually I'm not too big on music services for investments, although I do like Spotify. I'm just not big on the investment side of those things, just because it's tough to generate revenue on these things. But Spotify seems to be breaking out of this resistance a bit. So, you know, could be wrong on this one. This could be the one outlier. You've got your support here, which it managed to do quite well on. And here's, you know, bullish volume starting to go. I'd still be a little more neutral on it, but you are starting to see some subtle signs of, you know, movement to the higher end and the breaking out zone. So, hey, this could be an interesting one to watch. Of course, watch out for this kind of 190 level. This will be a little bit of resistance, but nevertheless, it could be one to keep on your watch list. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.